Never quit just because you feel defeated. Your journey to accomplishing your goals is possible, but only after great suffering. When you feel like quitting, ask yourself, have you done everything you can? Have you sacrificed your time, your sleep, your health, your sanity? Because people are gonna look at you and say you're crazy. Your best friends are gonna tell you that it can't be done and that you'd be better off quitting. But remember the things that you are doing well. If it's not working, then improve it. There's always another level to reach. Make your goals better, bigger, stronger. When you feel like quitting, stop comparing your goals with others and start keeping a positive attitude. Don't let complaining and negativity get into your head, because the attitude and energy you project is the attitude and energy you receive. Have encouraging friends that will stay strong when you feel weak. And most importantly, remember why you started. Carl Benz, the inventor of the car, was 15 years old when he had a vision of creating a horseless carriage. And for 20 years, he would try to make that dream come true. Now I can just picture a teenage Carl Benz saying, "Man, I hate walking. My parents never let me use the horses. And I'm so sick and tired of getting around so slowly." Now, I never knew the guy, but I know that he took out that frustration and anger into creating the world's first automobile. Now, I don't know if he was trying to change the world, but I know he took something that pissed him off and he started doing something that would better his life. And the same goes for me making these speeches. I don't make this music to change the world. I don't write these speeches so I can become a millionaire. I write these out every single day because I need to hear some motivation. I need to know that I'm going to be okay when life gets hard. That I need to stay strong. Because when you find something in life that you're obsessed with, that you can't stop thinking about, and that's going to make your life better, you need to run with it. Because I didn't realize how many people felt the same way I did. And I'm sure Carl Benz didn't realize how amazing the invention of the car was going to be. And I'm sure that you don't realize the potential of your dream. Hey, but you might now.
You open 2 gifts every morning you wake up. Your eyes. Today is going to be a great day. So wake up and smile. Good morning is not just a word, it's an action. Your dreams come true. You have to get up every morning and tell yourself, I can do this. And with each new day comes new strength and new thoughts Don't wake up with the regret of what you didn't accomplish yesterday.
Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. Don't stop, just go. Feed your focus, starve your distractions. Yesterday is over and tomorrow is too late. Don't waste your time, this is your year. Dream big and work hard. You've got one life, one chance, and what you do with it is up to you. Remember your goals, stop thinking and just do it. Fight for it, stay motivated, prove them wrong, keep going. You've got what it takes, but it's gonna take everything you got. Make it happen, do something great, set a goal, fuel the flame, get it done, challenge your limits, never stop, hustle hard, stay true, make it count, stay focused, yes you can, leave your legacy,